Alright everybody, this is going to be Archie's tutorial of making a delicious old-fashioned in stressed times. First thing you want to do is add some ice into a delicious mixing glass. As far as the whiskey you want to use for an old-fashioned, I love rye. You can use any whiskey you like, but 117 West Rye, 117 West Rye are outstanding choices. So we have about 1.5 ounces of rye. I give it a little extra because make it delicious. In our mixing glass full of ice, we're going to add a couple types of bitters. We're going to use aromatic bitters, and we use orange bitters, just a little dash of each, and then we're going to use just a dash of simple syrup. I don't like to make it overly sweet because that allows it to be a little bit more whiskey forward. Simple syrup that we use is just going to be organic sugar and water diluted. Then I go ahead and we mix it up with the ice. Get all nice and diluted in there a little bit. We're going to go ahead and strain it right on top of a big cube. Oh, that's looking delicious. And then for garnish, we're going to use a luxardo cherry. That's kind of optional. Let people decide on that. I love a luxardo cherry in my old fashioned. And then of course, essentially you're going to need some citrus. We're going to garnish this one with lemon. I sometimes will garnish it with both lemon and orange. I like to go around the outside of the glass with the citrus. Let that go ahead and sit right in there. And there you have a delicious 117 West Old Fashioned, one of the best drinks you'll ever have in trying times. Easy to make at home, super delicious. Hope you enjoyed this video.